the reverse fly. My door anchor is exactly chest height. If it is not, go ahead and move it down. Like I just noticed this one isn't exactly where it needs to be, so we're going to move it down an inch. So give yourself, we're going to do one arm at a time, a little bit of tension. Turn sideways so your arm is just in line with that top strap. Your feet are somewhat apart. This hand, the left one, is just holding on. I want you to pull it open and hold. Bring it back across your body. Now this right arm here is slightly bent. Open it and close it. So you're doing one at a time. It's just much easier with that band. Precision points. My hips are square to the front and my shoulders are square. When I need to do the other side, I just give myself some more tension, turn away a little bit, elbows slightly bent, open and close. The reverse fly, one arm at a time.